One of Dad's favorite places in all of Epcot is the Japan Pavillion. Whether it's the amazing food or the awesome shopping, Dad always has to stop by. So let's take a look in the store. If you're looking to start a Mario Kart battle, you could right there. Or if you want a shiny Pokemon for $30, you can also get that in the Japan store. Unfortunately, the Pick-a-Pearl is still shut down, so you can't do that at the moment. But you can find amazing hats, like this one for $40, which may very well be Dad's next hat purchase. They have traditional kimonos. These things are beautiful looking, a little expensive. The sword selection always confuses Dad because you can buy a sword at Disney. They have Japanese Kit Kats in like matcha tea and other flavors. They get a little pricey. You can get them cheaper at your local Asian stores if you happen to have one, just so you know. And then they have these matcha green tea marshmallows, but they're not even shaped like Hello Kitty. That seems like a jip to Dad. These little rice cakes are fantastic, and for $8, that is a great snack while you're going around Epcot. Or you could have some hot shrimp chips. Yeah, those sound good. And if that wasn't hot enough for you, how about hot potato? Just the variety of weirdness in there is amazing. Right to the side of that store is a little Japan art show, and like, what is this thing? I don't know. They have awesome little Gundams to show that you can make anything cute, even a Gundam. And a display of like Japanese pop art and culture. Does anyone else remember those little hanging cell phone things? I used to have one of those. This shows a small efficiency of how you would live in Japan, and of course, you have to have your rice cooker. Then they have like a little display that shows some of the characters of Kawaii, the cute characters, and you might recognize some of these. Like this one, Hello Kitty coming up. She is just an icon of Japan. All right, hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed that, Dad has lots of other videos, and this is actually from a larger video where we went to Epcot and watched the Boyz II Men concert. If you want to see that whole video, it is right up there. Or you could watch the other video to the right, which YouTube picked for you and they think you would like. Which one did you watch? Let me know in the comments.